Queenstown is known for its stunning landscape and thrilling activities. Deciding what to do in Queenstown can be a real challenge. In this video, I'm going to highlight 10 of the lesser known things to do in Queenstown that you really want to know about. My name is Michael. Let's get started. First up, we have the historic gold mining village of Arrowtown. This charming historic place is just about 20 minutes drive from Queenstown and a must visit. Here you can wander through the picturesque streets and see the beautiful maintained heritage buildings. Explore the local shops, the stunning cafes and restaurants, and if you visit in the fall, you also enjoy the beautiful red and golden colors of the autumn season. Don't forget to visit the Lake District Museum to learn about Arrowtown's gold mining history and take a walk through the former old Chinese gold mining settlement. It's really interesting. For all my recommendations, I will put links into the description box below so you can dive in for more information. Number 2, 𝗥𝗲𝗃𝗃𝗃 Canyon. If you crave adventure and stunning scenery, 𝗥𝗲𝗃𝗃𝗃 Canyon offers a breathtaking views and a dose of history. This rugged area has been carved out by the 𝗥𝗲𝗹𝗽𝗃 River, one of the richest gold-bearing rivers in the world. I recommend taking a guided tour through this narrow, winding road and learn more about the gold mining. Leave the driving to the experts as there are steep drops along the road. Another way to explore the 𝗥𝗲𝗃𝗃𝗃 Canyon is with a guided whitewater rafting trips. More about that later. If you find this video helpful, it would be great you hit the subscribe button below for more helpful videos to come. Also, you can download my free New Zealand planning sheet in the description box below. This will help you greatly with setting up your New Zealand holiday. Number 3, heli-golf Queenstown. Now, this is something really special. It is your chance to elevate your golfing experience to the next level. Fly in a helicopter up 𝗟𝗟𝗃𝗃𝗃 Mountains up to 4,500 feet, which is located across Queenstown overlooking Lake 𝗥𝗲𝗹𝘃. Then tee off from the mountaintop surrounded by some of the most stunning landscapes New Zealand has to offer. This exclusive heli-golfing tour with over-the-top helicopters is the only one in New Zealand and maybe even the only one in the world. This Path 3 unique golf experience has 4 tee boxes for the altitude golfer to attempt their hole-in-one. It is a truly unforgettable and unique golfing experience. Again, I put a link in the description box below. Number 4, Glenorchy day tour from Queenstown. A day trip to Glenorchy is stepping like into a postcard as it is one of the most scenic drives in the world. It is located on the northern end of Lake 𝗥𝗲𝗃, which is about an hour's drive from Queenstown. Once you arrive there, you can explore the charming town and hike through the surrounding 𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗃 National Park. Or you can simply soak in the natural beauty that has been featured in many movies such as The Lord of the Rings. The advantage of taking a guided tour is that you can get so much more information and insider tips from your local guide. Plus, you don't have to drive. Number 5, Routeburn Track from Queenstown. If you're keen on a full day hike, then the world-acclaimed Routeburn Track provides stunning variations in vegetation and wildlife. Start traveling from Queenstown to the end of Lake 𝗥𝗏𝗃. You'll find yourself surrounded by snow-capped mountains and the stunning backdrop of the 𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗃 National Park. Begin your walk through the ancient red beech forest amidst lush fern, lichens and mosses. Follow the Routeburn River to reach the Routeburn shelter with stunning views into the valley. You can either do this independently as a day hike or with a local guide from Queenstown. See more details on the guided option in the description box below. If you find this video helpful, it would be fantastic if you could hit the subscribe button to stay in touch for more helpful videos to come. You can also download my free New Zealand planning sheet in the description box. This will help you greatly with setting up your New Zealand holiday experience. Number 6, Glenorchy Animal Farm. If you're interested in New Zealand farm life, the Glenorchy Animal Farm is well worth your visit. If you're traveling to the Glenorchy area, it's easy to include as the property is located right along the road to the Routeburn Track in the Paradise Valley. This family-friendly attraction allows you to interact with a variety of farm animals such as sheep, alpaca, horses, deers, donkey, and many other species. Enjoy the beautiful countryside and learn more about the farm life in New Zealand. It is a perfect activity for families with young children. Queenstown Food and Wine Tours. Queenstown is the perfect location for food and wine lovers. By joining a food and wine tour, you get to see the beautiful wineries in a picturesque environment. Sample some of the finest wines from the central Otago region, known for its exceptional Pinot Noirs. Enjoy gourmet food and wine pairings. Yes, you can do these winery visits on your own, but having a local, knowledgeable guy turning up at the right place at the right time, and even meeting the passionate winemaker in person will make all the difference in the world. Cycling Queenstown. If cycling is your thing, why not discover the beauty of the Gippsland Wine Valley on two wheels? This area is located about 20 minutes outside Queenstown, not far away from Arrowtown. Cycling along the Gippsland Valley Trail offers a mix of adventure and relaxation. Pedaling through the vineyards alongside the 𝗟𝗏𝗃𝗃 River, crossing the bungee bridge and enjoy stunning views. Many tours include stops at wineries and foodie places, so you can enjoy the finer things in life along the way. Queenstown Kiwi Night House. Visit the Kiwi Birdlife Park in Queenstown to get close up with New Zealand's iconic native birds. It is very rare to see the nocturnal flightless kiwi bird in the wild, so the Kiwi Night House is your best option. This conservation sanctuary is home of over 20 species of New Zealand native birds. Learn about the efforts to protect these unique creatures and enjoy live conservation tours. It is both educational and entertaining. Number 10, Queenstown Whitewater Rafting. For thrill seekers, whitewater rafting on the 𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗃𝗃 River is a must-do in Queenstown. The 𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗃 River is grade 5, which is the highest grade visitors are able to do. The 𝗏𝗃𝗃𝗃 River is a grade 3 to 4. Your trusted rafting guide will navigate through exciting rapids surrounded by huge rock boulders. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced rafter, there are options to suit all levels. You can either do a morning or an afternoon tour departure, so you can work the strip nicely along other activities in and around Queenstown. I promise you, it's an adrenaline-pumping adventure in stunning scenery you won't forget. So as a summary of what things to do in Queenstown, Queenstown truly has it all. From adrenaline-fueled adventures to serene natural escapes. There are many more sites, tours and activities, but I hope these 10 lesser known but extremely worthwhile suggestions will help you to make the perfect trip. With a bit of planning, you can include a number of highlights in a 2 to 3 day visit to Queenstown. As mentioned before, there are links in the description box below, so you can check out further detail. If you're heading towards Milford Sound, watch this video with stops along the way. It's really worthwhile. If you find this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button below. Thumbs up for staying connected for more helpful New Zealand travel tips. Also put any comments or questions into the comments box below. See you in the next video.